Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to transfer your Firefox profile to a new computer in 2025. If you've got bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and custom settings you don't want to lose, this guide is for you. It's quicker than you think and will save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother transferring your profile? In 2025, Firefox has made this even smoother with updated features, but the core process remains straightforward. Your profile contains all your personalized data, so migrating it ensures a seamless transition without starting from scratch. Step 1. On your old computer, open Firefox and go to the About Profiles page by typing it into the address bar. This will show you all your profiles. Select the one you want to transfer and note its location, usually in the App Data folder on Windows, Library on Mac, or under Mozilla on Linux. Next, back up that profile folder. Right-click the folder, copy it, and save it to an external drive, cloud storage like Google Drive, or even a USB stick. Make sure to include all subfolders to avoid any missing data. Now, head over to your new computer. Install the latest version of Firefox if you haven't already. It's free and easy from the official website. Once installed, navigate to the same profile location on the new machine. For example, on Windows, that's C users, your username, AppData, roaming, Mozilla, Firefox, profiles. Paste the backed up folder into this directory. If prompted, replace any existing files, but be cautious not to overwrite anything important. Finally, launch Firefox on the new computer and use the Profile Manager, accessed via About Profiles, to select your imported profile. Voila! Your settings, bookmarks, and passwords should all be there. A quick tip: if you use Firefox Sync, you can enable it on both devices for even easier transfers in the future. Just log in with your account. Remember, always double-check for any updates to Firefox in 2025, as features might evolve. There you have it. That's how you transfer your Firefox profile hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.